Hello fellow troopers and welcome back for another quick and easy Star Wars activity. Here's a quick question. So what happens when you don't have enough figures for your galactic adventure? I mean, what if I only had like one Jedi against 5 troopers? Well, that's easy, the Jedi will win, right? But what if I could increase the ratio to 10 to 1? That might give our troopers the help they need to capture that Jedi. Okay, so today we're going to even the odds by making our own troopers using only a bunch of white building bricks, some black electric tape or vinyl, scissors, and any gadgets that you might have for your troops. Here's a bonus. If you have a Cricut cutter or any type of cutter in your house, then you can make a ton more designs like mine, but you can still do this without it just using the electric tape. Okay, so the first step is to make some figures just like this. You get a base of 8 for the legs, 4 for the waist, 8 for the arms, and 4 for the head. Once you have all those done, then you're gonna wanna get your vinyl cutouts and put them on your figure. Now, if you don't have the vinyl cutout with a Cricut machine, you could always use the electric tape and cut it out with your scissors. And you could design it however you want as far as face masks or any other body armor or anything that you might want. And you'll tape it right on your minifigure and they'll be ready to go. So there, now I have these made and I could add some gadgets to them and blasters to them. You know, we've evened the odds now. It's 1 Jedi to 10 troopers. They have a chance to capture. Let's see how the Jedi does now. Hey, thanks again for watching. I hope you had fun. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and let us know how many troopers you ended up making at your house. Until next time, troopers, stay safe, stay active, and always, always stay inspired. See you next time.